Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today I want to talk to you about cordless nail guns. Now at Ace, you're going to find a huge selection of power tools, whether they're corded or cordless or bench tools, you name it. We can help you with the tools you need to get the project done. A new item out there now are cordless nail guns. Now, cordless nail guns have been around for a while, but they've been actuated by gas and battery power. Now, this new line is strictly battery powered, not unlike a cordless drill. So this one uses a battery similar to what you can use in other Milwaukee tools. You pop it in there, and you can see right here that there's a button on the back when it's fully charged. You push the button and it shows you that the battery is ready to go. This particular unit will shoot brad nails like this up to 2 inches long. And so you're going to place this one right in the back end of it, slide it in place, and then this retainer right back here will hook it back in there and put it in place. I cannot stress enough how you need to wear safety glasses when you're using any kind of power tool, but in particular a nail gun like this. And I want you to read everything in the owner's manual so that you're comfortable using it. This particular unit has a switch on the back, so you're going to just push and hold it until it lights up to let you know that the unit is turned on. And you're going to make sure you get that green light that comes on and it's ready to go. Now, I've got a little application here to show you how we can use it, a little crate here. I'm going to take this wood right here, line it up where I'm going to finish off this crate, and then I'm going to hold this right over the top. I'm going to push down, and I'm going to fire. And I'm going to do the same over here. I'm going to line that up. I'm going to push down and fire. An amazing tool. If you're doing any kind of trim work, any kind of carpentry where you could use a nail gun, there's a complete line available at your participating Ace store. Remember, use it safely.